Sliding patio doors Pell City offer a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. These doors are available in various styles and sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for any home design. Sliding glass doors in Pell City are a popular choice for homeowners looking to maximize natural light and create an open, airy feel. French patio doors Pell City provide a classic and elegant look, perfect for those who appreciate traditional design. French doors installation in Pell City is a service offered by many local experts, ensuring a professional and efficient process. These doors are not only stylish but also energy efficient, helping to reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient patio doors. Pell City are essential for maintaining a comfortable home environment while minimizing energy consumption. These doors are designed with advanced insulation technology, including double-pane glass, to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Energy-efficient doors in Pell City are a smart investment for any homeowner. Custom patio doors. Pell City allow homeowners to create a unique and personalized entryway to their outdoor space. With a variety of materials, colors, and finishes available, custom patio doors Pell City can be tailored to match any home style. This customization ensures that your patio doors are not only functional but also a reflection of your personal taste. Patio door installation in Pell City is a service provided by experienced professionals who ensure that your doors are installed correctly and efficiently. Proper installation is crucial for the performance and longevity of your patio doors. Pell City. Patio door experts in Pell City offer consultations to help you choose the best doors for your home. Patio door repair in Pell City is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Whether it's a broken lock, damaged screen, or weatherproofing issue, local experts can provide the necessary repairs. Patio door maintenance in Pell City helps prevent future problems and extends the life of your doors. Patio doors. Pell City is a great option for homeowners looking to upgrade their existing doors. Replacement patio doors. Pell City come in a variety of styles and materials, including vinyl, aluminum, and glass. These modern doors in Pell City offer improved energy efficiency and security features. Vinyl patio doors. Pell City are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl doors in Pell City are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them an energy-efficient option. These doors are available in a range of colors and styles to suit any home. Aluminum patio doors. Pell City offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for contemporary homes. Aluminum doors in Pell City are lightweight yet strong, providing excellent security and durability. These doors are also resistant to rust and corrosion, making them a long-term choice for any homeowner available in various styles, including sliding and French patio doors Pell City.